Hello, hello. So I'm going to be walking you all through how to navigate through our Schoology page. So just kind of really just pointing out some important things that I want you to pay attention to in our math course. So as you can see, as you welcome yourself in you can see my Bitmoji classroom where it just says welcome to math. You can click the little video to see a little greeting from me. I'm thinking that I will probably put our daily, weekly agendas here. So it's just a quick glance. You can kind of see what's going on. So the background might change, but just know that there will be a message that I want you to see right there for each week. Another thing that is important to know are our Zoom meetings. So Zoom meetings, these are just some quick links right here. This will be different times for my accelerated kiddos. But just note that it is the same for both courses, just different dates and times. So those are just some quick accesses to the links to our Zoom meetings. So if you're ever struggling or need help on a math problem, just kind of work it out together, have that help. That is a good place and time to go where I can help you with those problems. If not, an email is always works. Just know that I am teaching Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, Friday, so it might take a little bit to get back to you, but I will get back to you as soon as possible. Some other things that I do want to point out. If you go to the Start Here online student orientation, this is super important that you click into here. Hopefully that's where you found this video. At the top, you will see our checklist. So it's kind of flashing back and forth. I'm going to pause it here real quick. That's how you pause. I'm going to pause. This is our math or accelerated. It's going to be both this week, September 8th through 11th. So I'm going to try and tell you guys what I expect of you in person and then what I expect of you virtually when I'm not with you. So in person this week, when I see you all, you will have gone through class expectations, a syllabus with me, and then done our math consensogram. When I'm not with you this week, what I expect is for you to watch the welcome video. And then secondly, how to navigate Schoology video. And then 3, big ideas onboarding assignment. And then 4, getting to know you as a math student activity. So it's super important that you're doing these things virtually when I'm not with you because I expect them to be due on Tuesday, September 15th. You can find those assignments underneath here. So getting to know you as a math student is right here. It's a Google Slides assignment. So if I click here, this is my view, but it will pop up. The directions are right here. They are also on the slides. So make sure you read those carefully. It'll be important that you go back through Schoology to submit that assignment. If you have troubles, I'm always an email away. And then secondly, the Big Ideas onboarding assignment. So kind of same thing, Google Slides assignment. You'll submit that through Schoology so I can give you a grade. All right, some other things that I want to point out is this important information, course information. So through here is just kind of important documents that really just takes a quick glance or just for your information if you ever need anything. So my office hours are right there. About our course, late work, all that stuff. We will be talking about that in class in person as well. So just kind of go take a glance at those documents just to be aware of anything, Zoom meeting schedule, need help documents, all that fun stuff. All right, so something that lastly that I want to point out is right here, the calendar on the right side. So this is kind of a second place that you can look for a checklist. I know I'm going to try and provide a checklist or agenda for you, but if that is not enough, these are kind of our due dates. So Tuesday, September 15th, I am expecting getting to know you assignment as well as our Big Ideas onboarding assignment. So that you are responsible for those 2 documents. Sometimes I will put on here Big Ideas assignment, homework assignment 1.1. You can't physically do that assignment in Schoology. You'll have to go through the portal, go to Big Ideas, all that fun stuff to actually complete the assignment there. So please know it's just here for a due date, but that will be coming next Wednesday when content starts to roll out. So those are all the things that I just wanted to touch base with you all. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm always here to help.